Hi guys, this is Mr. Z and I'm going to solve SAT math questions for this channel. Let's get started. Question 1. X minus 2 divided by x minus 3 is equal to 1 over x plus 1 over x minus 3. What is the solution set of the equation above? First of all, I'm going to combine the fractions which have the same denominators on the same side. So I will transfer the 1 over x minus 3 to the left hand side. So, and we have to change the sign. So it is positive, it'll be negative on the other side. X minus 2 divided by x minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 3 is equal to 1 over x. So since these two fractions have the same denominators, so we can subtract the numerators. X minus 2 minus 1 is equal to x minus 3. X minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is equal to 1 over x. X minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is equal to 1. 1 over x is equal to 1. X is going to be equal to 1. So that will be 1 solution, which is 1. And the correct answer is going to be answer choice A. Next question, question 2. If x is greater than 3, which of the following equivalent to 1 over 1 divided by x plus 2 plus 1 divided by x plus 3? Before we start to solve this question, guys, I'm going to show you one of the rules for the fractions. If you have 1 divided by a over b, then it can be written in this form, b over a. You just need to flip the fraction, the second fraction. Okay, I will do the same way, guys, to solve this question. First of all, I will multiply the x plus 2 by x plus 3. I will multiply the x plus 3 by x plus 2. And now x plus 3 times 1 is equal to x plus 3. X plus 2 times 1 is equal to x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 times x plus 2. Okay, so we can flip the guy's second fraction. I'm going to flip the second fraction now, and it'll be equal to x plus 3 times x plus 2 divided by x plus x 2x, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, and once you guys multiply the x plus 3 by x plus 2, it's going to be equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by 2x plus 5. This is going to be our final answer, and the correct answer is, guys, answer choice B. Okay, next question, question 3. Now, in this question, we have an equation which is 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 divided by ax minus 2. And it is equal to negative 8x minus 3 minus 53 over ax minus 2. It is true for all values of x is not equal to 2 over a, where a is a constant. What is the value of a? So first of all, guys, I'm going to multiply these two expressions. Again, it'll be equal to negative 8x minus 3 times ax minus 2. I will use the FOIL rule. So negative 8x times 8x is equal to negative 8ax squared. And then negative 8x times negative 2 is equal to positive 16x. Negative 3 times ax is equal to negative 3ax. And negative 3 times negative 2 is equal to positive 6. Okay, so I will write everything here, guys. 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 divided by ax minus 2 is equal to, so by the way, guys, I'm going to combine these two terms because they have a like term. So it'll be equal to x times 16 minus 3a. Okay, so negative 8ax squared plus x times 16 minus 3a. And what else we have? As you see, guys, we have 6 here and negative 53 here. 6 minus 53 makes, guys, 47. So 6 minus 53 is equal to negative 47 divided by ax minus 2. ax minus 2. So we can simplify these two denominators since they are same. And then I will, guys, match up the like terms. So these two are going to be same, or these two are going to be same, or these two are going to be same. To find out the value of a, I'm just going to use, guys, the first or the second group of terms. So I'm going to use the first one. It's totally up to you. 24x squared is equal to negative 8ax squared. X squared and x squared cancel out. Negative 8a is equal to 24, then a is going to be equal to negative 3, which is B. Next question, question 4. Okay, so we have 1 over x plus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 0. What value of x satisfies the equation above? Okay, we multiply the first fraction by x minus 1, second fraction by x, so x minus 1, just x minus 1, plus x times 1x divided by x times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, if the fraction is equal to 0, if this fraction is equal to 0, then the numerator is going to be equal to 0. What we have on the numerator, we have like x plus x, which is 2x. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is going to be equal to 1 over 2. Final answer. Okay, next one, last question, question 5. So 2x plus 6 divided by x plus 2 squared minus 2 over x plus 2. The expression above is equivalent to a over x plus 2 squared, where a is a positive constant and x is different than negative 2. What is the value of a? Okay, we just write the first of all, guys, the equation. 2x plus 6 divided by x plus 2 squared minus 2 over x plus 2 is equal to a divided by x plus 2 squared. Okay, so the second fraction on the left hand side, we have to multiply it, guys, by x plus 2 to work all the fractions. They must have the same denominator. So if you multiply the x plus 2 by x plus 2, all the fractions are going to have the same denominator. So we can simplify the denominators and work with the numerators. So 2x plus 6, then minus 2 times x plus 2 is going to be equal to a. Okay, then we can derive the equation. 2x plus 6, negative 2 times x, negative 2x, negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, which is equal to a. So 2x and negative 2x cancel out. We have 6 minus 4 on the left hand side, which makes 2. So 2 is equal to a. So the final answer for a is 2. Value of a is going to be equal to 2. That's it. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.